Hey everyone, I'm out on my walk and I've had a few questions recently about the Lioness Rising program that's coming up in September, and I always think better when I'm outdoors and even when I'm moving, but I will stop. So Lioness Rising is not a top-down, you need more information course. We've had enough of that. But it's an emergence. It's an emergence of a part of you that is already there, that is feeling tight and like it wants to, it's ready to leave the cage. But she's looking around and the door is open and she's asking, is this safe? How will people respond? What about those people that have certain opinions or values or judgments? Lioness Rising takes everything, every person that has tried to shut you down or suppress your voice or tell you that you're wrong or you're too emotional, you're too angry, or you laugh too loud, takes those situations and doesn't ask those people to change. Why? Because you've done enough of that. But it takes them as invitations now to access your own power. Because without those moments of feeling shut down, suppressed, or powerless, you wouldn't have this yearning, this hunger to express and be bigger and feel your power. And that's the power of the lioness lying dormant inside of you, patiently waiting. It's a bottom-up approach. So we build the foundation with support and with strength, just like you would build a house. And we allow that voice and that roar to emerge, not as a high, squeaky, pleading voice, but as a deep, deep voice of truth. And that is embodied in your belly, in your womb. And the voice that you're here to have in your life, fully expressed. So let me know any other questions that you have. Lioness Rising starts on September 4th. But I have a free online event, Activate Your Inner Lioness, coming up on, and I'll leave the link below. Hope you'll join me for that experience. And then a lot of your questions will be answered. Take care, dear, powerful lionesses.